This is pre-calculus assignment number 21. We're working on problem 13. So we're going to take this n minus 1. We're going to plug it into the f function first to get an answer. And then whatever answer we get, we're going to take it and we're going to plug it into the g function. So the n minus 1 plugged into the f function. I put the n minus 1 in parentheses here. We're going to square that. And then we're going to subtract 3. So if you FOIL out the n minus 1, you're going to get n squared minus 2n plus 1. And then bring down the minus 3. Combine any like terms, just these last two. So you have n squared minus 2n minus 2. So we're going to take the answer from the f function and we're going to plug it into the g right here where you have the n. So we have 3 times all that stuff, the n squared minus 2n minus 2 minus 1. And then I just distributed that out. 3 times n squared is 3n squared. 3 times negative 2n is negative 6n. And 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, minus 1 more is negative 7.